Hi guys, welcome to this aftermath of United versus Atlanta game. Uh, Inconsistency. That's the first word which comes into mind. ये पैटर्न हम देख रहे हैं पिछले 2-3 सालों से. कुछ गेम अच्छा खेलना, फिर उसके बाद एकदम से डाउन हो जाना, फिर उसके बाद जैसे ही मैनेजर की जॉब लाइन पर आए आप अच्छा खेलना चालू कर देंगे. I think people need to think about it that I think players are not concerned about their places in the team. एक एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं देखूं तो if someone like Marshall, Lingard, Van de Beek, if they play bad even for a minute for a quarter of the game or first half, second half of the game, they won't get second chance. बट अगर आप फ्रेड हो, अगर आप मैगवायर हो, अगर आप मैकटोमने हो, तो आपकी 1000 गलतियां माफ़ हैं. एंड आई डोंट नो दैट्स द रीज़न दैट कि ये इनकन्सिस्टेंसी बनी हुई है, क्योंकि कुछ प्लेयर्स को पता है कि उनका स्पॉट नहीं जाएगा नो मैटर हाउ बैड दे परफॉर्म. मैनेजर को उन पे ट्रस्ट है एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी सी दिस अप एंड डाउन ऑन देयर परफॉर्मेंस ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. Not really sure how sustainable it is. We always talk about players should be fighting for their position, और ज़्यादा टैलेंट जब टीम में रहता है तो उसका फ़ायदा यही होता है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंपटीशन होगा, पीपल अपना प्लेयर्स अपना बेस्ट देंगे. पर यहाँ उल्टा हो रहा है, कुछ प्लेयर्स को मौके नहीं मिल रहे हैं और कुछ फेवरेट प्लेयर्स को मौके पे मौके मिले जा रहे हैं. एंड मैगवायर का परफॉर्मेंस, आई डोंट नो मैन, that was, I think, one of his worst performance ever. Never seen someone so senior. He's the captain of the team and he's so scared. I think वो जो goal हुआ, second goal, he was actually complaining to referee for offside. Dude, there is VAR. Play for the whistle. I think ये तो सबसे basic चीज़ होती है. And I don't know, after Euro, उसका कॉन्फिडेंस पूरी तरह से डाउन हो चुका. ही इज़ नॉट द सेम पर्सन. एंड आई थिंक कुछ हद तक एनर्जी डाउन ल्यूक शॉ की भी हुई है. एंड मैनेजर नीड टू फिगर दिस आउट बिकॉज वी सॉ द डिफरेंस. वॉन डे बीक, सांचो जैसी आए, वी स्टार्टेड सीइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. इवन विद इन 2 minutes they showed so much potential. They showed so much passion in their game. And Van de Beek was this close of just stunning and getting a victory for us. That would have been a slap on Ole's face agar wo aisa kar deta to. But unfortunately that was not the case. And even though I'll still say it's a 2 points which we have dropped. People are celebrating. Yes, it was Fergie time draw. It wasn't a winner. Eventually we managed to scrap a point, but how far can we go with these kind of performance? I'm predicting we might reach to the, I think it's pretty clear that we'll reach to the knockout rounds, but nothing more than that. I think first round of knockout and we'll be eliminated depending upon who we face. I definitely think there's a strong chance that we might not make it past the first round. But let's see how it goes. I hope last minute winner team ko ek morale de, and then maybe in the game against City we start seeing some some changes. Maybe hopefully Sancho, and I can just say I can wish if Van de Beek also gets a chance to prove himself. But let's see. I'm not very optimistic with the City game. Expecting a loss, unfortunately, as hard pill as it is to swallow, but I think that's the reality. City would be too difficult to contain, especially knowing the fact कि वो एक loss लेकर आ रहे हैं, so they would be itching to get a win. And let's see, we have to really play good. I think how we gave the commitment during the Tottenham game. I think similar kind of performance player level पे individual player level पे होना पड़ेगा. You can have any kind of formation, doesn't matter, right? Eventually it's up to the individual brilliance. Like that's how all the social media folks say. but that's the reality. Players need to step up. Pogba need to, थोड़ा जाके खेलना पड़ेगा उसको. आधे टाइम लोग उसको प्रेस करते हैं, he has got no idea. So I think I can just continue to rant about how pathetic we are or we were during this game, but happy to see the screamer from Ronaldo, pura childhood memory वापस आई. And if I would just like to end this on a positive note, that just enjoy Ronaldo's game, man. We are lucky to have him back at the twilight of his career. I hope he stays with us for as long as possible and we manage to win something. Maybe we are going through a tough time, but it's a privilege, it's an honor to see him play. And yeah, I can't be more happier than to see him come here, giving the performance like these in Champions League at the age of 36. So I'm just happy with what he has achieved, but certainly not very impressed with the team. And I think players need to step up now, or else it's going to be very, very difficult on Saturday. Once again, thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Please like kariye, share kariye and subscribe kariye. Thank you.